In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Doom the Dark Ages. Kibes mod advanced options will be available. Scroll down and download the mod. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop this version.dll inside of a game folder. Once done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press F8 key to open up this Kibes mod. And now you can use these options. Now I show you guys how to install different mods. Check my video description for this Alt 10 mod loader. Scroll down, select this mod loader. And check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this Streamlined Campaign. Download the mod. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the mod loader and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. And drop all these files inside of a game folder. Once done, just go back and open the mods folder in a game. Drag and drop this Streamlined Campaign zip inside. Go back to game folder. And now you need to find modmanager.exe. Open the modmanager.exe, more info and select run anyway option. Make sure the mod is checked and select run mod loader. Once this done, we have successfully installed the mod. Now you can launch the game. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.